Hey guys, Harshal here. Today we'll learn how to install Ubuntu Linux on Oracle VirtualBox. The basic things you will need is the Oracle VirtualBox installed and the ISO image of the Ubuntu file. So let's get started. Open the VirtualBox, click on the new icon, give the name as Ubuntu. The type selected should be Linux and the version whichever is compatible with your OS or with your system. Here I am clicking on the Ubuntu 64. Clicking next. Here you will ask to allocate the memory size, which is the RAM. I am giving it a 2 GB of RAM. Clicking next. Leave this setting as default. Create. It's the same for here as well. Next and next. Here you will ask to give the storage space. I am giving it as 30 GBs, which is enough for me. Create. The hardware part has been created. Heading on to the software part. Click on settings. Then storage. Empty. Here you will find the CD DVD icon. Click on that. Click on choose a disk file. Navigate to the folder where you have downloaded the Ubuntu file. I have downloaded here, so I am clicking here. Clicking on open. For the ISO image, the link is in the description to download. You guys can go and download it from there. Click on the OK and start. Click start. Yeah, so the basic setup has been done. Here it is asked to try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. So I'm gonna click on install Ubuntu. Select the keyboard language and the language for your OS. Click on continue. Leave this setting as default. Click on continue. Click on install now. Click on continue. Select the region as it is defaultly selected for me as Kolkata. Click on continue. Here you will ask to give your name and a password to your operating system. I'm giving it as Harshal. So I'm typing it as Ubuntu and Ubuntu. Click on continue. Here the installation has been started. It might take a while. So the pop-up message comes as installation is complete without any error. Click on restart now. So if this interface comes, your Ubuntu operating system is successfully installed and you're ready to use it. Click on skip, click on next and next. So this is the basic interface of the Ubuntu with GUI installed on it. So if you face any problem while installing the operating system, you can write a message in the comment section. I'll definitely help you. And if you are loving the content, please hit the like button and subscribe button for more content. Thank you.